So if you have a really large fish tank that's nice and deep, then it's really nice to have a fishnet that is nice and long. So you can see this fishnet here. I even have this canopy on here, which is making it nice and tall, but this fishnet has no problem getting all the way down to the bottom here. So you don't have to get your hands wet. You can use your fishnet to get whatever you want in your tank. So that is really, really nice. And this is the 5-inch size right here. We have a few other different sizes as well. So you can see here, nice and long is this nice, I guess, a stainless steel, really nice and lightweight. Has a little loop here so you can hook it up and hang if you want as well. So you can see, super nice and long. Whoops, okay, I cut a little fish there. But see the net right there. So like a net you would expect. Nice and durable, it's not going to rip. And then you can collapse or extend this net. So let me see if I can push it down here with one hand. There we go. So pushing it in. There you go. So then the shortest length right there, I think it says 9 inches, 9 to 24 inches. So that is super cool. Extend it to the length that you like. And then catch or clean your tank however you like. So if you have a deep tank like that, really nice, you can extend it. If you have smaller tanks like this, then that's the perfect size as well. So the shortest length works great for a 10-gallon tank like that. So yeah, if you are in need of a really nice fishnet, that is going to work for all your different types, sizes of tanks, then definitely check this one out.